faster car today.
Oh no. Because a lot of them doing close to 40 though.
I don't know what my best was. My best real time was 43.7, and I put the air out of the front tires. It drove much faster, but I don't know what the time was. And then I was like, you know what? Since I didn't bring everything, I'll try and film with some people in the car.
Thanks for organizing this.
I couldn't hear that.
Oh, thank you for organizing this.
Oh! It's kind of a dream come true type of thing to do.
Definitely, right?
Yeah. How long have you had this car?
3 years actually.
3 years? Okay.
Yeah.
That's about how long I've had all of mine.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I have a white one. It's a 2016. I've had it 4 years, and then the black one I've had 3 years, and the little convertible one I bought for the summer.
Oh, sweet.
And I did this whole racing event to race that convertible, and little weird things go wrong with an old car. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and then everybody canceled that was supposed to help me. So I'm like, you know what? I guess I'm not supposed to race that car. So.
Yeah, the converter was good for weekends, man.
It's a fun car.
Yeah.
I had to replace so much stuff on it though. It's such a money pit, but it drives so good now. Like, the whole goal was to drive it at night in Waikiki after we got it fixed, and my friend came to town and we did that, and it was awesome.
It's fast.
What?
This guy is fast.
Oh, he's doing great.
Oh, 39.
39. Oh my god. My black car is usually 4 or 5 seconds slower than my white car because the white car is PDK.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because you brought it on the drive one time, right?
Yeah, I've brought it. Yeah. I usually alternate what week I drive what car. I didn't want to be the fastest person, so I didn't bring it. I brought that one. Now
That's
it has
a 996, huh?
it's a 997.
Oh,
yeah. That one's a 997. My white one is a 991, and then the little black convertible is a 996.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You have the whole collection.
It was I don't know, I had a bad idea. One of each. And I ordered a 992, but it never showed up. They're like, oh, it's like, I know it's been a year, but it's going to be like another 8 months. I'm like, all right, I'm excited.
I hope I don't disappoint.
Yeah, it'll be fine. No challenge. It's all for fun. Car's got good grip. 152,000 miles. Runs pretty quiet, pretty smooth. But it's a Hawaii car, so it's always hot. Oil warms up hot. Car gets hot, drives hot. Car's dirty. 152,000 miles. I bought the car with 128. So that's at 24, 25,000 happy miles, man. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. I'm trying the Wagyu beef tonight. Never had it before. supposed to cook it kind of rare. It's pricey, so don't want to mess that up. Like, comment, complain, subscribe. Till next time. Aloha. Shiny side up. Speed safely. That type of thing. Aloha.